I'll show you the exact step-by-step Western Union account registration process on both the website and the mobile app, the precise identity metrics required to pass their global compliance filters on your first try, and the automated security verification traps that freeze new profiles. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Because Western Union operates under strict international financial regulations, you cannot use a fake handle, a nickname, or an unverified address. If your entered details do not exactly match your legal public records, their database will flag your profile as fraud and block you from the system. Before clicking register, make sure you have a valid, unexpired government-issued photo ID, like a driver's license, a passport, or a national ID card. Your full legal name exactly as it appears on that ID. An active mobile phone number to receive security alerts. A permanent residential physical address. Do not use a P.O. box, as the automated verification engine will reject it instantly. You can complete this on a computer or your mobile device. Open your web browser and go directly to westernunion.com, or download the official Western Union money transfer app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Look at the top navigation dock and click the prominent Register or Sign Up button. Type in your primary email address and create a strong password. Carefully fill out the entry fields with your first name, last name, date of birth, input your active mobile phone number and hit Continue. Western Union will send a unique 6-digit one-time password to your phone line to prove that a live user physically owns the device. Type that verification code into the screen prompt immediately to unlock your dashboard layout. Once you enter the dashboard, your account is technically open, but your sending limits will be heavily restricted until you clear the primary compliance validation. KYC, or for Know Your Customer, is a mandatory regulatory tracking standard that requires Western Union to verify a user's true legal identity before allowing them to move financial assets across international borders. To clear this phase on the mobile app, click Verify Identity when prompted. Select your specific ID type from the drop-down menu and use your phone's camera to take a crystal clear, unblurred photo of the front and back of your physical ID card. Make sure there is zero lens glare and that none of the corners of the card is cut off. Follow the on-screen biometrics prompts to take a headshot selfie, moving your head slightly up, down, or side to side as directed. Western Union's automated biometric scanning matrix will cross-reference your selfie with your government ID file. The data profile validation typically clears within 30 minutes to a few hours, and you will receive a confirmation email declaring your profile is fully verified. This ensures that even if a hacker compromises your password online, they cannot execute an unauthorized MTCN wire transfer without an automated text code hitting your physical phone first. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.